Morning, Pottinger's class. Today we finished 6-7 volume. Can you find the various parts of volume? Yeah. Let's talk about the various parts of volume, shall we? Yeah. So in order to measure volume, what kind of shape must we have? Say again? You need to have a 3D shape. How many dimensions does a 3D shape have? 3. So the label for volume is actually units to the power of 3. And the 3 represents 3 dimensions, right? Okay, cool. And dimensions we know would be the measurements of a shape. And then this is again talking about units. Units to the power of 3, it means the same as units cubed. All right, quick review. Perimeter. How do you find perimeter, everybody? How do you find the area of a square, a rectangle, and a parallelogram? What is the formula? Be careful on this one. How do you find the area of a triangle? And then volume, our new learning. What is the formula for volume on the count of 3? 1, 2, 3. Here's a cube. What's a better idea? Count all of the cubes or do the length times the width times the height? And if you count all the cubes, if you decide you do want to do that, remember there's going to be 2 cubes that we can't actually see, right? Okay, cool. So, I don't know what else to say. 3 times 2 times 2, right? Length times width times height. Now I didn't give you any cubes, but I still gave you the length, I still gave you the width, and I still gave you the height. What is it called when you put those numbers here? Say that again. Plugins. Do I need to see your plugins? Always. Yes. So could you do 3 times 7 times 9 to get this answer? Yes. Last one. I gave you some different information. I actually gave you the length and the height. I did not give you the width. I did tell you what the volume would be though, yes? So you know the volume, you know the length, you know the height, you just didn't know the width, did you? What strategy did some of you use? Others of you use a different strategy, which I'm not going to talk about right now, but if you just start plugging in numbers for W, and you know the numbers should be pretty close to 12 and 6, are you eventually going to get the right number? So 12 times, our answer was 8. 12 times 8 times 6 actually is 576 centimeters cubed, right? What's our label again? Centimeters cubed, which also means centimeters to the power of? 3. Because 3D shapes have how many dimensions? 3. Good?